yan. Saan na yan? Ito ba lang? Meron ba na photo pa? Good afternoon, good evening, madlang people. Yes.
Nakapira ka na sa na-squishy, di mo na rin naaral.
Nakasero ka lang.
Umudong ka, may paparakarawan mo man lang yun. Marami ang kadamala na ano mo.
Aklas na ito na yun na ako. Baka na rosti. Thank you so much.
Ay, madadatan ito. Parang na ako.
Ha?
Hindi? Lana! Lana!
Lana?
May dara ko pa rin ang sitay. Tama mo.
Ganun, pauka mo na to.
Kutsara na, kutsara.
Oo, pag inahagon.
Hindi, ako pa.
Na, sa kaliho.
Dili, ada ako na sa baba. Kaugas ako.
Nakakatulak ko po dahil po nakalive ngayon sa kaliho. Wala na nga din popcorn.
Thank you for watching.
Ayaw mo na.
Ay, dito, Lana.
Okay, pakasilo yun. Sayang, sili. Ang ulo.
Thank you, 7 people. Thank you so much. Hi now. Hi now. Hello now. Reflections. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi, Rob. Thank you, Rob. Hali, ha. You are a juicy mommy bread. Hello. Hello. Thank you for joining. Thank you, Rob. Thank you so much. Hi, Huar. Thank you. Love for me. Hi, Jolly. Hi, Mark. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good evening from Arizona, USA. Thank you.
Kadin ay day kuldi mo. Ay day sol.
Ternyata.
Thank you for life. From Philippines. Riley, I'm from Philippines. Bab Nashra. From Philippines. Hey, Matt. box. Thank you for the likes from Instagram. Matt, you're not my boss. So that's why should I send $1,000? I will show my food. Isaac and hi Christine. So guys, support, like, comment, subscribe, share. YouTube. Thank you Christine. Press now. Good evening to you. Hello. Griselda, hi Griselda. Pa-shoutout po here in our area and Kristen, New Silang Caloocan. My name is Griselda. Hi Griselda from Caloocan. Yes, my name is Sheryl. Zach. Like and subscribe. Thank you, Chrisnell. Nice. Okay. Like root crops. Where are you from, Zach?
Bigyan na ang tawo.
Oh, cold. Coffee. I'm from Western New York. Oh, wow. New Yorkers. Coffee. I'm from the land of the Philippines. Hi, GMGD. If you ever come to India, I will give you chow mein menu. What is that?
Yum, 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 yum. Ah, okay, sorry. Hello from Spain. Ah, okay. Big cup. Yes, big cup for coffee. I close my mouth while I'm eating. Thank you, everyone. Your body is very weak. You should drink buffalo. If I visit there, can we hang out? That depends. Hello, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Surhead. You're so good, I could. Oh? How many hours do you have before you run out of coffee? Maybe I think 1 hour, something like that. I honestly don't believe you're human because a human can't be this beautiful. You're an angel descended from the sky, angelic and beauty. Oh my God, I really appreciate it. You're a compliment sword for me. Thank you so much. Sir Hat, where are you from, Sir Hat? I'm just kidding. I can't afford the trip. Ah, okay. Yes, because New York, America is very, very far from here in the Philippines. So you need to save more money, a lot of money. Maybe you need to 1 million pesos. You need to save million pesos. Thousands dollars, something like that. I will swim there just so can I give you a hug? No. No, you can't. I don't care if I almost got eaten by shark. I'm engaged, I'm not available. I hope you all speak English very well, my friend. I hope you all, yes. I hope. Excuse me.
Sabi sa Ira.
Thank you, Personal. A friendly hug. Ano? I'm not like that. I'm living in Philippines, so that's why we're not all here are liberated. So maybe you're living a deliberated culture. Here, some here is not like that. Like if we have a relationship, respect our relationship, something like that. So maybe the others do that because some people like that. Most new generation nowadays. New generation now. So that's why cheating is normal. Most young people be having fun, playing games, emotions, relationship, change relationship like clothes, something like that. They think they think we are they think that's good, but nah. Having a lots of relationship, past relationship is I think that's good because it's a flying kiss. Flying. Never mind, I just got my fruit chop off by my cozy neighbor. Oh my god, I think I'm bleeding. Oh. Turn the camera around so I can see. So I can see, okay. Excuse me. Okay, your house is beautiful. Really. I thought there was no one with me, but there was someone. Hindi na Lumutong ako ng damdamin mo, ng damdamin mo. Thank you so likes. Thank you for all the likes, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you sa guest. Views, 16 likes. Thank you, 16 likes. Do I slip stream? Sometimes I do slip stream, something like that. It's Tyler. Ronnie Gregorio, you are a beautiful woman. Thank you. I really appreciate. Yeah, I snore. Something like that. Yes. There are some slip stream on your channel. Yes, some. Yep. I'm getting married soon. I'm engaged. Looking good, Cheryl. Hope all is going well for you both. Many respects and keep up your good work. Good work. Like 16 done. Thank you, Mr. Pat. Thank you so much. Hi, Sir James Miller. Thank you, Mr. Pat. Always welcome. Have a nice day po, Mr. Pat. God bless. I can find slipstream. Maybe because I have lots live stream. So maybe you can find. Can you do one tonight? No. I not sleep well tonight because it's so loud outside. Nagtatawag daw si mama niyo, Kanjudainan Kanjila.
Kanino?
Kanjudainan Kanjila. Nagtatawag si mama niyo. It relaxes me a lot. Huh? Search one for me and show me where it... wow. Oh my God. My friend, balik na lang ako mamaya. Thank you, Kusnel. Thank you so much for joining. God bless. Thank you for joining, Kusnel. Thank you so much. Acute yarn. Acute.
O, di nila yun. Kumaritan kami rin. Sana nga, Jape. Jape.
Akyat na aga. Akyat. Nagtatawag si Mama Lina. Nanan sa ito. Riza Hashimi. Hi Riza Hashimi. Hashimi. Riza Hashimi. Thank you sa nagla-likes. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate everyone with the likes. Thank you so much to those who hit the likes. I really appreciate it. The watching, to those who lurking. Thank you so much. More so hit the likes. Thank you so much. Primo, hi Cheryl, hi. Primo. Oo,
Nabili mo ga?
nabili ko. Oh my God, sorry.
Wala bang lasa?
Oh, salamat. Makarigos ka? Ha? Mata na?
Mata na sulti.
Mata na ang soltero, ah.
Kasi.
Royal wonderful, your jewelry, yes. My jewelry, this is a gift from my future hubby. This is the gift, this is the, my watch, my engagement ring. Amazing. Beautiful. Beautiful. You look happy and that is most beautiful, yes. The important is happiness. It makes us feel beautiful. Jose. Happiness makes us beautiful. Hi, Sir Dave. Juarez. Juarez.
Aram mo ba?
Hi. Ako diri ko aram na yun.
Talaga. Boom!
You look amazing. Thank you, Sir Dave. David. Miss DB. Primo, oh, thank you. I look amazing. I like the way you say my name. Dave. Where are you from, Sir Dave? Karigas ka? San Antonio, Texas. Hi, from San Antonio, Texas. USA? From USA? Texas, USA?
Yung po. Katag na naman, oh.
Abang ako na.
Doon na kayo, nagpapapa si mama. Papa.
Yeah, where are you at? I'm from the land of Philippines. Province of Philippines.
Pakaunan mo?
Sir Dave. Dave Wars. Sound amazing. Sound amazing. Love your beautiful smile and your body. Thank you, Sir Dave. Maybe David or Dave. Are all Filipinas as beautiful as she? Lots of Filipinas are beautiful than me. Pretty, so pretty, beautiful than me. I like Dave. Dave. Okay, Dave. Sir Dave. I like the Sir Dave, very cute. Okay, Sir Dave. What are you doing? I'm sit down and talking to you guys. Going live. Wala. Ka-live ako.
Ha?
Talking to myself.
Kuya Ben?
Oh, kuba na.
Ano?
Dua.
Are watching TV now? I'm watching my kwan.
Eh mo doon, ano?
Family. Today is my father, my mother. Hi, Sir Jess. Hi, Jess. Thank you, Papa Cheryl.
Eh mo doon, pag-video day.
Thank you, Jess.
Oo. Eh mo. Ayun na. Ayun na. Sabay lang sa baso.
Sorry for your loss.
Oo, bet ka. Salunok na.
No worries. That's why the something like that. Thank you to those who sending hearts. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sigel. Thank you, Je. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah! Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you, Sigel. Oh my God. Thank you. Be praying for you. Thank you for your prayer, Sir Dave. Thank you, Jess, for the girl, sending the girl. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jess.